Hello, chubby travelers. We are here in one of Jacob's favorite dining places, Marsha Adams. This is located here in Alfonso, Cavite. And Jacob's favorite here is their steak and their pork chop with rub. Tumigil ka na. Kanina ka pa, Jacob. Ano naman itong anak ko? Papakainin na. Nangiinis pa. Sige, go ahead. O, ayan. May mag-welcome. You say good evening. Hello, good evening. Apo, Celestina Aguilar, ma'am. Thank you. Welcome to Marsha Adams here in Alfonso, Cavite. This is EVOO with balsamic vinegar and bread. Yummy. Here at Marsha Adams, they offer dips as a starter. They have hummus, they have tzatziki, and baba ganoush. So it's different. It's quite parang Mediterranean. So if you want to try something new, try and go here at Marsha Adams. Sir, can you describe this dip?
Yung dips ko, yung dips ko niya, may lettuce din. Yung dip, homemade yogurt.
Homemade yogurt. Pero anong tawag dito sa dip na to?
Tzatziki po with lettuce chips.
Tzatziki with lettuce chips. And this salad is called?
Asian salad po.
Asian. Ano naman ang dressing nito, sir?
Vinaigrette.
Vinaigrette. Pero may pear, no?
Opo,
Oo, with pears.
Nuts.
Tsaka feta cheese.
With berries.
With berries. Ah, okay. Thank you.
Red pepper po.
Red pepper. Thank you.
Thank you po. Hindi po.
Try mo, Abu.
Ito naman.
Yung katchinki.
Nakarang video.
Parang katchinki. Ito mga patchinko. Yan. With yogurt dressing. Ano siya, tangy. Medyo asim-asim. Okay, let's try naman this salad. Aegis. Yan natin ng pear and may pepper flakes. Lagyan din natin. Yan. Okay, so let's try their salad. AG salad. Fresh na fresh and hindi naman overpowering yung dressing. So, sarap. Ikaw, Apo, you try. This is one of Jacob's favorite eating place because of their certified Angus beef, which Jacob loves in medium well. And also, Abu, Eugene's favorite here is their Italian pork chop with rub. Masarap. Masarap, diba?
Yummy. Tsaka malambot. Kahit makapal, malambot. Malasa.
Jacob. Excited? Talaga? Wala energy. Ito naman yung Italian pork chop ni Abu. Nabawasan na ni Jacob. Yan. Ang kasama niya, tomato salsa. My boys enjoying their food. Smile! Jacob. Jacob. They also offer a variety of fresh green salad like prawn and mushroom salad. They also have Asian salad. They also have melon, arugula, and prosciutto salad. And these salads can be an alternative course menu in their course setting. Lavender creme brulee and lemon panna cotta. Ayan. Both are flans but different taste. Try natin. Ito yung lavender creme brulee. Yung toink! May ano to, lavender scent. Pero para din naman siyang leche flan. Lagyan natin ng syrup. Yan. And let's taste. Malakas ng hint ng lavender. Refreshing. And sweet. This one naman is lemon panna cotta, lime panna cotta. So I'm expecting na medyo tart, maasim because of the lime. Let's taste. As expected, this is more tart. Medyo maasim. Pero masarap din. Bunamoy mo yung lavender. Na? Pag kinain mo na. Try mo yung isa. Yan. Try mo, dali.
Asim.